One sunny afternoon, Mia and her little brother Leo visited the beautiful Wonderleaf Park. As they walked near an old oak tree, Mia noticed a tiny golden door hidden between its roots. They carefully opened the door and discovered a glowing pathway leading into a secret magical world. Inside, the flowers could sing, butterflies sparkled like stars, and friendly animals could talk. A little blue bird named Pip welcomed them and explained that the park's magical crystal had disappeared. Without the crystal, the beautiful park would slowly lose all its magic. Mia and Leo promised to help Pip and began their journey through the mysterious whispering forest. The ancient trees whispered a special clue, guiding them toward a rainbow bridge and a hidden waterfall. After crossing the glowing bridge, they entered a dark cave behind the waterfall. Inside the cave, they found the missing crystal beside a frightened baby dragon named Ember. Ember explained that he had taken the crystal because he was afraid of being alone in the darkness. Mia kindly invited Ember to return with them, promising that he would never have to feel alone again. Together, they carried the magical crystal back to the center of the park. As Ember returned the crystal to the fountain, a bright golden light spread across the entire park. The flowers began to dance, the trees sparkled, and colorful magical fireworks filled the sky. To thank them for their bravery and kindness, Pip gave Mia and Leo 2 glowing leaf-shaped badges. The badges would allow them to return whenever the magical park needed their help. Before sunset, Mia and Leo walked back through the tiny golden door. When they turned around, the mysterious door had disappeared, but the magical badges were still glowing in their hands. From that day forward, every visit to Wonderleaf Park promised a brand new magical adventure.